Hey there guys, how's it going? My name is Josh Andor Atheon, and today I'm coming at you with Tidal Dragon, Ruler of the Waterfall 10. So let's get right into it. Alright, let's go. So we got 5 packs as well. Pretty sweet. Let's open up the promo pack. So, of course, we got a secret Tidal Dragon Ruler Waterfall of the Waterfalls. We got a super rare Blackluster Soldier Envoy of the Beginning, a super Allied Justice Canister, super Red Knot Rail Cannon Gustav Max, and Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear. So that's what they are. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's open up these packs. Hope we pull something good. Rare Big Whale. A rare Mecha Phantom Beast Tetherwolf. A rare Snow Dust Giant. Mermail. Dude, can I pull mermails out of this pack? I wonder. Pulled a rare Noble Arms card. I can't really read the other part of it. Pretty cool though. And last pack, guys. Hidden Arsenal 7 Knights of Stars. Sweet. I pulled a Secret 10 Arcdot, a Super Gusto Griffin, a Super Constellar Alareska, a Super Gishi Photomiro, and then the Constellar Accubus, which is pretty sweet. So, let me just put everything how it was. Rares, and then secret, and then supers. Okay, so overall for today, we pulled a Tidal, which is promo pack, 10 Arcano, secret, both of these are secret. Constellar, a Constellar card. Gishiki Photon Miro, super. Constellar Arson, I can't even say it, I'm not even try. Gusto Griffin, Blackluster Soldier Envoy of the Beginning, Ally of Justice Canister. I'm not gonna try reading that. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear, Big Whale, Mecha Phantom Beast Werewolf, Noble Arms, and Snow Dust Giant. I think we pulled a pretty good pack, and I'll see you guys later in our next video.